ویلکم کریں گے. تو اقرا خالد صاحب.
السلام علیکم everyone.
وعلیکم السلام.
میرا نام اقرا خالد ہے and I'm your representative at the federal level in Mississauga Erin Mills. I think maybe this is the 6th or 7th time that you have hosted this event, Shahid. So with the permission of our elders, our scholars, the wealth of our community, I will give you all 2 examples to why this community is the best community to serve. The first example, and these are concrete examples that I've had the privilege of working with all of you, is our mission to combat Islamophobia and Kenya. With all of your efforts, with all of the work that you've done, not only will we be able to take that conversation in our parliament for the first time ever, but since then, we've had $23 million allocated in our budget for combating racism. We've developed an anti-racism secretariat. We have developed an anti-racism strategy. And now, in about 2 weeks' time, we will be announcing a special representative to combat Islamophobia in our federal government. And that is all thanks to your advocacy and the hard work that all of you guys do. The second example I will give as to why this community is so awesome is when the floods in Pakistan happened. And obviously this is not the first time that Pakistan has been devastated with floods. But in this most recent time, jab humne dekha ke lakhon karoron ke hisab se log beghar ho chuke hain, that they are really struggling, the community came together. Aap logon ne pressure dala to governments to ensure that we are doing our part. All of you came together and are continuing to raise money. Now, some of that pressure to our federal government was to match dollar for dollar. Initially, Hamari government ne announced $3 million to match dollar for money that is raised for the floods in Pakistan. We all as a community out fundraised. We raised $7.5 million within a span of 30 days to the point where we as a government said, okay, you know what, not 3 million, we're going to actually match the 7.5 million that this community has raised so very generously. I was in Pakistan with the MPs Shafkat Ali and Salma Zahid, and with our Minister for International Development. We saw the devastation, and I can tell you the hard work that you are all doing, your dedication, your care for community, it is really going a long way. So really, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for all that you do in our community. And thank you, Shahid bhai, for being such an amazing leader as well. We appreciate it. I have one last administrative thing, if that's okay with your permission, Shahid bhai. First and foremost, I'd like to wish our community member, Awais Iqbal, a very happy birthday. Are you here, Awais bhai?
Yes, he's here.
There you are. There's the lights. But very happy birthday, Awais bhai. I understand you're now 25. But I have a small token of appreciation for you to present to Human Concern International for all of your efforts in raising funds for the flood relief in Pakistan. If you can please come up and receive it, and at the same time, while Awais bhai is coming up, I have a small token for Shahid bhai and the whole organization for Canadian Muslim Friends for all of your efforts. Jazakallah khair, everybody. Thank you all for having me here today.